Mastering supply chain agility. Someone in our organization knows why our supply chain is slow, and they're not telling. Who within our organization possesses the necessary insight to identify the primary pain points in our current supply chain that hinder agility, and can they provide recommendations for operational excellence and improvement? In the pursuit of supply chain agility and operational excellence, it is essential to identify the primary pain points in the current supply chain that hinder agility. To achieve this, a thorough analysis of the supply chain is necessary to pinpoint the exact areas that require improvement. This can be accomplished through a structured approach, involving the collaboration of various stakeholders across the organization. Firstly, a cross-functional team should be assembled, comprising representatives from different departments, including logistics, procurement, manufacturing, and distribution. This team should be tasked with conducting a comprehensive review of the current supply chain, including its infrastructure, processes, and systems. This review should aim to identify the inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and pain points that hinder agility and operational excellence. The team should adopt a structured methodology, such as the Six Sigma DMAIC, define, measure, analyze, improve, control, approach, to ensure a thorough and systematic analysis of the supply chain. During the define phase, the team should identify the key performance indicators, KPIs, that measure supply chain agility and operational excellence, such as lead time, inventory turnover, and on-time delivery rates. In the measure phase, the team should collect and analyze data on the current supply chain, including process metrics, inventory levels, and transportation costs. This data should be used to identify trends, patterns, and correlations that can help pinpoint the root causes of inefficiencies and pain points. During the analyze phase, the team should apply various analytical tools and techniques, such as root cause analysis, fishbone diagrams, and Pareto analysis, to identify the underlying causes of the pain points. This analysis should aim to answer questions such as, what are the primary causes of delays and inefficiencies in the supply chain? What are the most significant contributors to inventory costs and stockouts? What are the root causes of quality issues and defects? Once the primary pain points have been identified, the team should move to the improve phase, where they should develop and evaluate real-life solutions to address these issues. This may involve process re-engineering, optimization of inventory levels, implementation of new technologies, or changes to the organizational structure. The team should then develop and implement a comprehensive plan to address the identified pain points, which should include clear goals, objectives, and timelines for implementation. This plan should be communicated to all stakeholders, and progress should be regularly monitored and reported to ensure successful implementation. In the control phase, the team should establish a continuous monitoring and evaluation process to ensure that the implemented solutions are effective and sustainable. This should involve the establishment of key performance indicators, KPIs, to measure the success of the implemented solutions and the identification of opportunities for further improvement. Throughout this process, it is essential to involve and engage various stakeholders, including suppliers, logistics providers, and customers, to ensure that their needs and expectations are taken into account. This collaborative approach will facilitate the development of solutions that are tailored to the specific needs of the organization and its stakeholders. Finally, it is crucial to recognize that achieving operational excellence and supply chain agility is a continuous process that requires ongoing monitoring, evaluation, and improvement. The organization should establish a culture of continuous improvement, where employees are encouraged to identify opportunities for improvement and innovation, and where best practices are shared and adopted across the organization. In conclusion, identifying the primary pain points in the current supply chain and developing recommendations for operational excellence and improvement requires a structured approach, involving the collaboration of various stakeholders, and the adoption of a systematic methodology, such as the Six Sigma DMAIC approach. By following this approach, organizations can identify the root causes of inefficiencies and pain points, develop effective solutions, and implement sustainable improvements that enhance supply chain agility and operational excellence.